Thank you, Senator Port, for your inspiring message. I'm Chuck Wiger. I'm the ranking member for the Senate Education, Finance, and Policy Committee. This past year, our students, our parents, and staff have faced incredible challenges with the pandemic. Our goal is for students to return to school and that the return be safe for students and staff. Thankfully, that is happening. Most elementary schools are now open. Several middle and high schools are open as well. And stay tuned. All of them are going to be open at some point, hopefully soon. As this happens, we need to make sure that the academic and non-academic needs of students are being addressed so they can thrive. The Senate DFL is committed that each student be on a path for success. Each child, regardless of race, zip code, or economic status, is deserving of an opportunity in early education opportunities through post-secondary opportunities. This is the path for eventual hope and for success, and everyone deserves this. The bottom line, we must prioritize investing in our students and our schools. Carefully providing and planting seeds, resources now, has a direct impact on their future success at harvest. As schools safely reopen, we must close the opportunity gaps that children face. We must address the mental health needs. These were pre-COVID issues and have only been exacerbated through this. We, unfortunately, are near the bottom of the nation in the counselor ratio. The DFL has fought for years to improve this situation, and most of these attempts have been thwarted by the Republicans. We will continue to offer solutions to address the mental health needs with more counselors, nurses, social workers, and other parts of the team at the schools who are doing heroic efforts during the pandemic and as we safely return. But we must do more to invest in the whole child. As a part of our strategy, we fully support the full service community schools. This is a proven evidence-based way to close the achievement gap, to provide opportunities. Ed Minnesota, through their research, EPIC, has demonstrated the opportunity gap will close if students can be provided some wraparound services in schools. The mental health needs, we have to continue to address those, and there are a variety of ways to approach the closing of the opportunity gap. And one important way that we value and we want to invest in is to increase the number of teachers of color and Indigenous teachers. 35% of Minnesota students are non-white. However, only 4% of the teachers. It's proven in research that students will do better if there's a high quality teacher that looks like them, that can relate better to them. The evidence is clear. Let's do it. We have a teachers of color and Indigenous teacher proposal, and there is some bipartisan support on that, but we need to invest the resources. Finally, the post-secondary opportunities for students. We need to ensure that programs are accessible and affordable. The training must align with the needs of our 21st century workforce. In summary, investing in education, students, and our schools is crucial. By providing needed resources and programs, all Minnesota students, every child, will be on a path for hope and success. Please always remember, students are our future.
And we know that there were problems that needed to be addressed before COVID, that it's abundantly clear now, even more so that we need to. Senator Wiger, because education is a big part of this, do you want to chime in?
Yes, thank you, Leader Kent. The governor has put together a great plan, the Due North plan, where it provides the inspiration for how we're going to recover from the pandemic, which is very real yet. And just as we had a Marshall Plan way back in recovering from battle and what we've experienced, the governor has pointed to the need to invest in addressing mental health needs for students. And there's approximately $750 million to do that. But he also provides a way of paying for it. We have offered initiatives that support this, and as well, I'm the chief author of Senate File 64, which has not been heard, but provides opportunities for reading corps, math corps, full service community schools, a number of opportunities that local school districts, that staff, that parents have said they'd like to see. So, the governor has put approximately 750 million in the budget. I support that, and let's hope that we'll get there, and also that we will get some assistance in part 2 from the federal government, and I believe that's coming.
Senator Wiger, does that include getting rid of last hired, first fired to better retain teachers of color?
No,